Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing basically leasing or using corporate structures for foreigners to use real estate here in Thailand. Now, to be clear, let me just preface this by saying, with respect to holding companies, with respect to corporations, you have to be really careful with this. Thai law is very explicit insofar as it's clear that foreign nationals are not allowed to own property in Thailand. Now, certain corporate structures that involve a foreign national can be set up to utilize utilize land as a result of their operation or their existence, if you will. That stated, it's not just a foregone conclusion. These need to be legally, carefully constructed, because failure to do this could have serious negative ramifications. It could even be considered criminal. So there are certain circumstances where it may prove feasible, but probably a good idea to contact a legal professional with respect to gaining some insight and guidance in how to deal with that. Long story short, though, if it is a situation where that works, well, that would be, that may be great under those circumstances. Meanwhile, a much more straightforward methodology, again, depending upon circumstances, is leasing. Leasing of Thai property is, again, it's much more clearly defined in the Civil and Commercial Code. It is possible to lease property here in Thailand. And for this reason, again, it's cost benefit. It's going to be circumstantially dependent, but probably not a bad idea to get some legal advice, because the differences here can be pretty staggering, and depending on your circumstances, especially long term, there can be substantial positive or negative aspects to structuring things one way or the other.